Hello students, today we are going to study energy level diagram of intrinsic semiconductors. Energy level diagram, that is also called band diagram of intrinsic semiconductors. It consists of valence band and conduction band in increasing order of energy. Valence band have low energy whereas conduction band have high energy, and band is nothing but the group of energy levels, each line represented by energy level, which consists of two energy states. Suppose bottom of the conduction band, at the bottom energy level of the conduction band is denoted by EC, whereas topmost energy level of valence band is denoted by EV. The Fermi energy level is present exactly at the center of bottom of conduction band and top of the valence band, and the energy correspond to this energy level is called Fermi energy. The bottom of conduction band, that is EC, and top of the valence band, that is EV, is separated by a gap. That gap is known as the energy band gap. It means that valence band and conduction band separated by the particular gap, and that gap is called forbidden energy band gap. So at the temperature of 0 degree Kelvin, the valence band of intrinsic semiconductor is filled with the valence electrons, or these valence electrons are bounded to the atoms of the intrinsic semiconductors, and they are not free. And whereas the conduction band is completely empty at 0 degree Kelvin for intrinsic semiconductors. But what happens when the temperature increases above 0 degree Kelvin? The valence electrons which are bounded to the atom will get thermal energy, and they become free, and they acquire energy greater than that of energy band gap, and then they move from valence band to the conduction band, and they become free and behave like a free electrons, and those free electrons will responsible for the conductivity in the intrinsic semiconductors. So I am showing the band diagram at the temperature greater than 0 degree Kelvin. So the electrons present in the valence band will go to the conduction band, and the absence of electrons will create quantum vacancies in the valence band. These quantum vacancies are known as holes. So the electrons become free and will go to the conduction band. So these electrons are free electrons, and the absence of electrons, the quantum vacancies are known as holes. Hence electrons and holes are the charge carriers in intrinsic semiconductors. So this is the process of generation of charge carriers at the above the temperature 0 degree Kelvin. Now we will see the description related to this energy level diagram or band diagram of intrinsic semiconductors. So band diagram consists of valence band. Okay, energy level or diagram or band diagram of intrinsic semiconductor consists of valence band, conduction band, and energy band gap EG between them. And for well-known intrinsic semiconductor, that is silicon, the energy band gap is 1.12 eV electron volt, and for germanium it is 0.72 electron volt. So what is valence band? The energy levels are filled with the valence electron. They are known as a valence band. Okay, at absolute zero temperature they are filled with the valence electrons, and they are called valence bands. Okay, what is conduction band? The energy levels of conduction or free electrons are known as conduction band, and the energy of conduction band, as we have seen in the diagram, the energy of conduction band is higher than the valence band. And energy band gap, we know that the separation between bottom of the conduction band and top of the valence band, that is called energy band gap. So in other words, it is the minimum amount of energy is required to move electrons from valence to conduction band, that is energy band gap. And it is the difference between conduction band energy level, that is bottom of the conduction band EC, and topmost energy level of valence band, that is EV. So EG is equal to EC minus EV. And we have also seen the Fermi energy level exactly at the center of EC and EV. So what is Fermi energy? The energy of highest occupied energy level is called Fermi energy. So that highest occupied energy level is called Fermi level, and the energy corresponds to that Fermi level, that is called Fermi energy. Now we have also seen what happened at 0 degree Kelvin and what happened above the temperature of 0 degree Kelvin. So at absolute zero temperature, that is 0 degree Kelvin, all energy levels below EV are completely filled and above EC are completely empty. So no electrons are free. All electrons are bounded to the atom. Okay, they are valence electrons and they are not free at absolute 0 degree Kelvin. So the intrinsic semiconductor behaves as an insulator at absolute 0 degree Kelvin temperature. But when the temperature increases above 0 degree Kelvin, the significant number of electrons get thermal energy, as we discussed earlier, and excited from valence to conduction band. Thus, conduction band is partially filled with the free electrons, and these free electrons are responsible for the significant conductivity in intrinsic semiconductors. So today we have seen the energy level band diagram of intrinsic semiconductor at 0 degree Kelvin and above 0 degree Kelvin, and we have also the terms related to that energy level diagram, that is valence band, conduction band, forbidden energy, band gap, Fermi energy level, etc. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.